Hello and good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, this video is for class UKG, subject mathematics, and today our topic is ascending order. Okay? So, children, let's see what do you mean by ascending order. So, children, ascending order is also known as increasing order. Got it? So now let's see the definition of ascending order. Okay. Increasing or ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to the greatest. Once again I repeat, increasing or ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay, smallest to greatest means what? In Hindi we can say chota se bada. See children, here I have made 4 steps and here I have written some sets of numbers, okay, in this circle. Now we have to put these numbers according to ascending order or increasing order, you can say, means from lowest number to highest number we have to set these numbers in the steps. Okay, now let's start from 7, 8, 10, 6. This number, which is the smallest number, can you say children, which is the smallest number? 6 is the smallest one. So first we will write 6. See children, after writing 6, cancel that number from the question. Okay, now see which one is smallest from the remaining numbers. 10, 7, 8. Which one is smallest? 7. So write 7 in the second step. Okay, and after writing 7, cancel it from the question. Now 2 numbers left, 10 and 8. Now you can say which one is the smallest number in between these 2 numbers? 8. So write 8 in the third step. Okay, and cancel it from the question. Now see the leftover number 10. Write 10 in the fourth step, means the highest number is 10. Understood? 6 is the smallest and 10 is the highest number. Okay, now children, let's do once again with next example. Okay, see children, here I have written some set of numbers. Okay, 18, 13, 15, 20 and 11. This is your question, and these numbers are in between 11 to 20. Okay, see children, this side I have written the number line from 11 to 20. Got it? Now see children, which one is the smallest number among these numbers? 18, 13, 15, 20 and 11. Which number is smallest? In this number line also you can find it out. So first number is 11. See children, 11 is there in this question. So your first smallest number is 11. Write 11 in the first box. Okay, after writing 11, what you have to do? Cancel that number from the question. Understood? Now after that, see the remaining numbers 18, 13, 15 and 20. Okay, which one is smallest now? In the number line after 11, 12 is there. Is 12 is there in this question? No. Then after that 13 is there. Is 13 is there in this question? Yes. So after 11 you will write 13 in the second box. After writing 13, cancel that number. Okay, now let's find out the next smallest number among these numbers. 18, 15 and 20. See children, after 13, in this number line you see, after 13, what number we have? 14 here. But 14 is not there in this question. So after 14, what number is there? 15. Okay, is 15 is there in this question? Yes, 15 is there. So after 13, you will write 15, the next smallest number. Okay, and after writing that one, cancel it from the question. Okay, now see the remaining numbers, 18 and 20. Which one is the smallest? See, after 15, we have 16 and 17. But these two numbers we don't have in this question, right? After 17, what number is there? 18. Is 18 is there in this question? Yes, 18 is there. Now write 18, the next smallest one. And then cancel 18 from the question. Okay. Now see children, which number left now? 20. So the leftover number you will write at the last. Okay, 20. Understood children? I hope children you all have understood about this topic, ascending order. Now let's move towards the exercise and homework part. Okay. See children, this is your exercise, arrange in ascending order. Okay, which I have already done. Okay, now your homework is to write this exercise in your maths copy. Okay, understood? So this is enough for today. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.